How to get NVIDIA AI certificate. First things first is open up or pull up any web browser that you want to use. Once you pull up your web browser, then just head directly to nvidia.com/certification. Now once you're here, this is going to be the training ground for NVIDIA's certified. So all you have to do from here is, of course, to choose on what specific certificate are you trying to get in with, or depending on the career that you'll get. So say, for example, you would like to have this certificate with AI infrastructure and operations. Before you take the exam, on this option right here, like preparing your workspace for an exam, you'll have to learn the current or the preferred certification that you will choose. So you'll need to click this first and have at least maybe 10 to 15 minutes of your time to study the specific certification that you'll get before you take the exam. And once you're ready, just go back to this page right here, which is gonna be the forward slash certification page. Scroll all the way down till you find this option here that says prepare your workspace for an exam. And once you're ready, just go ahead and click this option right here, get your workspace ready. So you'll just have to answer or to take the exam before you will be able to get the certification you want. So that's it. That's how you get NVIDIA AI certification.